Hi, what's up everybody? This is Andrei and I wanted to show you how to use my new plugin called File Protector for Restrict Content Pro. So obviously for this plugin to work, you need to have a Restrict Content Pro plugin installed as well. And the way that it works is first obviously you have to activate it. And once it's activated, you will see this page called RCP File Protector. Now, let me quickly go over to Restrict Content Pro and show you that I have one customer who is subscribed as a silver member, and I had 3 membership levels: bronze, silver, and gold. So let's say we want to, let me go back here quickly, and let's say that we want to protect one file from our media library. Let's say it's this Twitter picture. So the way you do it is you click on the picture, you grab this URL of the website, of the picture, and you go to RCP File Protector, and it will say if you have no protection levels yet, if you haven't used this plugin, it will say no protection levels yet, and you click on Add New. Now, first you have to select the membership. So what kinds of memberships will be allowed to access this plugin? Let's allow 3 memberships that we have to be able to access this plugin. And now let me copy and paste the URL that I just copied. And you need to remove this part. As you can see, it already says that this little thing, this little label shows you that the file is inside WP content upload, so you don't need to specify that in your path. Just everything that goes after that. As you can see, I remove all of this. So my domain name and WP content uploads prefix. And I click on save. Now, if I go to my other browser, here I am logged in as this user that I just showed you that I have in my system. He is a silver member. If I refresh the page, you can see the picture is showing. But let's say now I want to remove access to all silver members. I click save. And if I refresh the page, it will say 404 file not found. So this is the simplest way to use this plugin. Let me show you some more advanced ways. So let's say you want to block anything that starts with the that exists in the WP content uploads 2019, 12. So everything that you uploaded in December, let's say. And let's say we want only these 3 users, these 3 memberships to be able to access these files. So what you do is you just simply put in here like this 2019-12, and anything inside this folder, WP content uploads 2019-12, will only be available to these 3 memberships. This means that people who are not logged in as users on your site, or who are logged in as users but don't have any of these 3 memberships, won't be able to access any of the files inside this folder. So let me go here and close this tab quickly, and let me just grab a file from 2019, copy it, and paste it here. And as you can see, I can access it. But if I go back to my plugin, let's say remove again the silver access, click save. I refresh, it says again 404 file not found. This is another way to protect access to the files, but this time we protect access to the whole folder. Now there are some other more advanced ways to do this, and it's with regular expressions. So let's say let me just quickly go over to my notes. Let's say you want to protect anything that is inside a private folder. Let's say you only want the bronze members to be able to access a folder that is inside WP content uploads, and it can be WP content uploads / _private, or it can be WP content uploads 2019 _ private. So in this scenario, it doesn't matter where the private folder exists, as long as it exists inside WP content uploads. So it can be 3 levels deep, it can be 1 level deep, doesn't matter. And we want to, basically what we are saying is we want to hide protect any file or any folder inside this private folder. Doesn't matter how nested it is. So we check this checkbox and we would click save. Now at the moment I don't have any private folder, so I can't demonstrate it to you how this works on an actual file, but I've tested it and it will work just fine for anything that exists inside the private folder. Now let's go to a more advanced example, and let's say you only want to protect anything inside private folder, but only like in our previous example, but only the PDF files. So you would still use the regular expression for this, but this time it will look like this, where instead of having just the ending of this regular expression will say that it's just the PDFs. Now, if you want to protect, let's say, PDFs, docs, and other document types of files, let's say like here, PDF, doc, docx, and zip. So what you would do is you would simply, instead of having this PDF, you would, inside of these braces, you would have these files separated by a vertical dash. And this would protect every file inside private folder that is a PDF, doc, docx, or zip. Now, yeah, so, and if you want to protect, let's say, any PDF, doc, zip, or docx inside any folder inside WP Content Uploads folder, you would use a regular expression like this. So this is just a basic overview of how this plugin works. Let me know if it's clear, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below this video. Thank you.